We've trusted MMCI with multiple installs across the U.S., so I would say 6 at this point. In the protein industry, right, a lot of the spaces that we work in are cold, wet, damp environments. We need pretty robust solutions that can handle that type of environment, and then also the chemicals that we bring in after we run production. A lot of the equipment we have in our facilities needs to be able to handle that. They get involved on the front end and the planning, working hand in hand with our team. Their engineers are great to work with. They're very inquisitive. They want to understand the environment, the process, everything about it. So we avoid a lot of potential pitfalls that could come about from a process like that. When it comes to service, they're kind of far and away better than the next. Just the amount. You've got sales guys that are coming to startups, making sure that we're loading lines up full to simulate, full rate production and, getting their hands dirty, so to speak. You've got the engineers that are coming as well. They're really Johnny on the spot. They'll be there helping you out throughout the entire process, from planning all the way to, hey, we're running production now. I can call Graham in sales, I can call Andy in engineering, and they're willing to help me out with whatever I need, and I've got direct line of communication to them. I would say there's probably very few companies out there that can handle an empty case system, just because of the actual product weight. It's very light, it's very difficult to convey and make transfers to chutes and those types of things, and they were able to deliver a system that could do all of that. When it came down to the engineering and the value that they provided, they had one of the more economical solutions, as well as probably one of the more robust solutions for that particular project. Plant doesn't complain about it. We don't get phone calls about it, so that's good. You're gonna get a great project, you're gonna get a great solution. You got a great team of engineers up there in St. Louis working on this problem. And then once you start the lineup, you know they're gonna be there for you. They're gonna be there working long hours with you. And then even once we hand the project over to the plant, they'll continue to be there for you and make sure that their equipment, their solutions run as planned.